present the outdoor play advantages. This can also be supported by Ryman at 2020 findings that after participating in the outdoor program, the children showed significant behavioral changes such as increased interest in nature, adventure, exploration and animals. The children were more engaged in conversation and their communication skills improved, and this is related to nature. During my practicum, we took the children, noticed they become more curious about things like bugs, leaves and birds. Children who were usually quiet started talking more, asking questions and sharing what they found. This outdoor experience helped improve their communication, increase their interest in exploring nature.
Today, I am here to talk about the benefits of outdoor play to children. According to Norbeck from article 2019 on page number 37 suggests that outdoor play have a range of positive benefits to children. For example, they make a new friend, they increase their social networking and improving their health also. When I talk about my personal example, I saw that children were more communicating and engaging with their friends during outdoor play, and they also become more active and confident when trying a new games and climbing on equipment.
Today I am talking about the benefits of outdoor play for children according to Part C from Article 2024. Outdoor play increases unstructured imaginative play, their imaginative freedom, not only nature creating but also enhances problem solving skills as children finds innovative ways to navigate challenges they encounter in their play. During my practicum, I noticed that children played, for example, they collected sticks, rocks and leaves to build a campfire and pretended they were camping in the forest. They worked together to solve problems like figuring out how to balance the stick so the campfire would stand. This show how unstructured outdoor play increases creativity and helps children develop problem solving skills.
Today I am talking about outdoor play benefit. According to Yang from the article 2022 suggests that the typical self-directed nature of outdoor play can support the developmental of the children's social and emotional skills, including empathy, talking about emotions, cooperating with others, and engaging in the positive interactions. Outdoor play may be beneficial because it tends to the unstructured and therefore less behaviorally controlled. During my practicum, I saw that the children take small risks like balancing on the logs and climbing rocks. This helped them to think about how to stay safe and try new challenges.
Today I am here to present the benefit of the outdoor play to the children. So according to Griffin 2024, they suggest to families to spend more time to outdoor to support children's physical activity, emotional well-being and connection with nature. The study show that simple outdoor experience can help children become more active, happier and healthier. During my practicum, I noticed something very similar when we walk or garden play. They were more engaged, calm and social with each other. It really showed me how outdoor environments support children's overall development, just like the research explained.